Today we are going to go over how to change your GoPro lens. Maybe you want to change it because it got broken, or you got a mod filter that you want to use it for sports, etc. It's going to require a little bit of force, but you're going to want to twist it 90 degrees and up. It's actually pretty simple. 90 degrees up and pull as you're twisting, just like that. These little metal straighteners are going to go down, and then you twist, obviously, 90 degrees to have them lock in place under that metal fastener. So I've heard a lot of good things about the ND filters, especially the ND32. I'm going to try this. I just got off Amazon Prime Day. Went on sale. K&F Concept. It's probably the best deal I could have gotten for filters. Comes with an ND16, ND32, ND8, and a Nano X CPL, which is like the circle one. So I'm going to try the ND32. And we're going to kind of the same thing, but in reverse. The metal lines are just going to go right over top. And you're going to push down 90 degrees, just like that. Easy. Easy peasy. Oh, I spoke too soon. It's not, the right side is not on. Oops. Make sure it's completely flat. Yeah, make sure it's completely flat when you're putting it on. There you go. And just like that. To make sure it's all lined up flat as you're putting it on, and then twist down to make sure it lines up in place. And that's how we have the ND32 filter on. I'm extremely stoked to try all of these filters. I might do like a mountain bike downhill with the regular GoPro lens, and then do it with every lens and just see the difference and make one video for it. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, comments, put them down and I will do my best to help out. Peace out, my ninjas. Pineapple Leaf out.